Hi everyone, today I am in sunny Itchenor. I'm actually at the Ship Inn Itchenor. I thought I'd pop down here and have myself some fish and chips because it's a lovely day. And yeah, let's go and check this place out, the Ship Inn Itchenor.
Before I get into this video, let me ask you a question. What would you do with £1.3 million? The reason I'm asking is because today I am visiting Itchenor, a lovely little village just south of Chichester Harbour. But if you were thinking of buying a house here, the average starting price is 1.3 million. Apparently, that makes it one of the most expensive places to live in the UK. Unfortunately, I don't have that kind of money, and if I did, would I buy a house in Itchenor? Well, I don't really know. I'm not going to say anything because I'm going to sit on the fence on this one because I don't want to offend anyone, because I'm sure there's a lot of people who live in Itchenor who wouldn't want to live anywhere else. But personally, I just seriously have to think about it. Where would be your ideal place to buy a house if you had that kind of money lying around? Let me know, I'm intrigued. And why, if you do live in Itchenor, what enticed you to buy a house in Itchenor and spend that kind of money? Because no disrespect, but there isn't really a lot going on here. Oh, maybe it's because Keith Richard lives just up the road? Comments below, please. Moving on gracefully, I'm out with the family today and we've decided to visit the Ship Inn Itchenor. Looking forward to this one. Let's go and check this place out. Ship Inn Itchenor. A little bit of fish. This is a small size fish, by the way. You can actually get a big one. Lovely crispy batter. It's actually haddock, believe it or not, but chips nice and crispy on the outside, soft in the middle, as they should be. Mushy peas. If you want to zoom into the mushy peas, just zoom into the mushy peas a little bit. I mean, they are actually the right colour, perfect looking. Fantastic. Let's try a bit of this haddock. To be honest, because it's haddock, there's hardly any meat in there. Taste a little bit of it, but all I'm getting is batter. Crispy batter, which is very nice, but yeah. I have to say, I mean, look at that. Look at that.
Oh.
Yep, thank you.
Lovely.
Lovely, isn't it? Look at that. All you've got is a lot of batter and a very tiny bit of fish. It is what it is. That's haddock for you. Lovely little beer garden as well. And one thing, always a positive note, plenty of parking. Right, well I just had fish and chips in the Ship Inn in Itchenor. Yeah, really good, nice batter. Not much fish because it's haddock. Why would you use haddock on fish and chips? It's a bit of an acquired taste, haddock. I like it, but not everyone does. But there you go, it is what it is. It was a lovely meal, 17 quid that come out to. Chips were good, mushy peas were good. Good meal, well worth it. Nice day out. Yeah, definitely pop down here if you're in the area. Chef's Travels, thanks very much for watching. Hopefully, see you on the next one. Cheers.